Hello, my name is YILDIZ, and today I will present you my final project in the course of COM425, Engineering Project 1. My topic is image steganography. My advisor is Professor Dr. Ali Güneş. Contents of this presentation: introduction, objectives of the project, and system design. In history, people have always wanted to communicate in ways of secrecy. Therefore, they have found few ways of doing so. Cryptography and steganography is used since the ancient Greek times, 3,500 years ago. Cryptography is a practice of hiding messages in texts that makes no sense in the hands of a stranger without the key to encode the message. Steganography comes from Greek words steganos and graphia, which means concealed, hidden, and writing respectively. So steganography is an ancient form of secret communication, so to speak. Just like cryptography, steganography is used to hide information in plain sight, without others knowing. What would be the difference between steganography and cryptography if they are both hiding messages from anyone else but the sender and the targeted audience? Let's say you get a message that's encrypted. You would for sure understand that's some kind of message and aim not for you but someone with a key to decode it. You would see some kind of writing, some scramblings in a paper, and you would understand that's either from a children or someone encrypted it and it's not for you to read. Perhaps it's crucial for the sender that you absolutely should not read the message. If you would not think the same way as the sender and the message in question is in your interests, you would for sure try to decrypt the message and learn what's inside it. In the case of steganography, if you get something, and if that something has a concealed or encrypted message inside it, perhaps you wouldn't even acknowledge the fact there's even a message. For example, a vase. Beautifully painted vase with a hidden message under the painting is in your hands. Chances are slim that you would for sure know that's in fact a hidden message, unlike with the case of cryptography. But for someone that knows a vase is a message holder, it's quite easy to remove the painting and read the information beneath it. Now that we know what steganography is, it should be fairly easy to understand what image steganography is. It's indeed hiding information within images. In the old times, people still hid information under images, but in a physical way. In my project, as the time goes, in our times, we hide images inside computers in digital environments. So I will do the same way. It's one of the sub-practices of steganography. The others are being video steganography, audio steganography, and network steganography. Objectives of the project: concealing a message successfully. That's the prime objective. Encrypt the message before it's hidden inside the image. Decrypting the message after it's uncovered from the image. In my project, not only I will just hide a message inside the image, I will also encrypt it before hiding it. So even if someone finds a way to the message, knows there's a message inside an image, they won't be able to read it. It will be encrypted. So I will use both cryptography and steganography in one project. I think this is the safest way. Final objective is testing this in social environment with my friends, colleagues, to see if people will notice the change in the picture. Depending on the method, there will be some change, some blur, some noise in the picture, and I will try to make it as minimum as possible. My system design. This is a Gantt chart that will show my vehicle progress. In the first weeks, I will make a draft of a GUI, and then the next 2 weeks, I will work on my RSA algorithm. That's a cryptography algorithm that will encrypt my messages. Then the next 3 weeks, I will work on my steganography algorithm, GUI design, implementing them into the program, and whole semester I will both work on control phase design and debugging. This is the flowchart of my program. This is a basic design. It may change, it may be more complicated, complex, but mainly it will be like this. In main page, there will be two buttons. Actually, you can pause the video and view this chart, or it's in my project, and I will show you how it's working. I also designed an Adobe XD file that shows the GUI, basically shows what will it be. We have a page, main page, we either upload image or exit. We upload image, we choose our image, and here we need to put a message inside the image. First, if there's a message inside an image, if we need to decrypt it, we use decrypt. If there's nothing to decrypt, we will get a pop-up message. If you want to put inside the image something, we write the message here, encrypt it with our keys. It will look something like this, and encrypt our image. Message will be encrypted, and then the encrypted message will be put inside the image. This is a basic design. It's not a program. It's just a representation of what it will look like. Here, I will slowly take it down, and you can see what it looks like. You can stop the video in necessary pages. I also have my charts in here and my references. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.